morning, children. So let's discuss the poetic devices used in the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon. It's a very simple poem, and I hope it is clear to you. So not so many poetic devices are used in this. The first of all, let's discuss the rhyme scheme. See, in the first paragraph, Belinda lived in a little white house with a little black kitten and a little grey mouse. So the last words, house and mouse, they rhyme with each other. Then the last words of the next lines, wagon and dragon, they also rhyme with each other. So the rhyme scheme used is A, B, B. In the next paragraph also, ink and blink, mustard and custard, again A, B, B, B. So in the whole poem, the rhyme scheme used is A, B, B, except this paragraph number 13th, which is of 6 lines, and but presently let me show you this paragraph. This is of 6 lines here. The rhyme scheme is mustard, flustered. Again it is A, blink, think, B, B, and agree me. This is different, so it is C, C. So in 13th paragraph, the rhyme scheme is A, B, B, C, C, and rest in all the paragraphs, the rhyme scheme is A, and B, B. Now let's discuss the poetic devices or the literary devices. So the maximum used is simile, and we know that simile is used when a comparison is made between two words using as or like. So in this poem, the simile is used at many places, like from the 4th paragraph you can see Belinda was as brave. This one, Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of beers. So since a comparison is made here using as, so here is simile. Mustard was as brave as tigers, again there is simile. Then and again there is snorting like an engine, it is again there is simile. You can find out these lines, children. Clashed his tail like irons in a dungeon, this is again there is a simile. And then he went at the pirate like a robin at the worm, again there is a simile. It is on page number 130, these paragraphs, when the custard attacked the pirate. In these paragraphs here you can see like a robin at a worm and clashed his tails like iron. So again there is simile. So maximum simile is used. Then there is repetition also. Repetition is when the same words are repeated again, like Belinda lived in a little white house with little black kitten and a little grey. Little again in the same line. Little is repeated again in the next line, little and little. So there is repetition. And suddenly they heard, again it is, you can find the lines, it is on paragraph number, this is, you can see here, here it is, suddenly they heard a nasty sound. There is again repetition. And Belinda paled and she cried, help, help. In the next paragraph here you can see, help, help. So this is repetition is there. And alliteration, you can find yourself, pistol in his left, pistol in his right, and he held in his teeth. HH sound is repeated, so there is alliteration. Alliteration is very easy to find out, you can find out yourself. So these are the poetic devices which are used in the poem, and question answers I'll send you the PDF. Complete your notes. If you have any doubts you can ask me. That's all for today. Have a good